To maintain vector search performance, you need to actively manage and monitor the size of your index. As your data grows, your vector index grows with it. When it outgrows the available RAM on your search tier, performance degrades quickly. Quantization is one of the most important tools for reducing index size and maintaining optimal performance. Along with dedicated search nodes and views, it's part of a broader toolkit for managing vector search performance. Vector search indexes are RAM hungry. A single float 32 vector at 1024 dimensions can take up roughly about 4 kilobytes. Add the HNSW graph on top of that, and at scale, your memory footprint compounds fast. Quantization lets you shrink that footprint without swapping out your embedding model. It converts the floating point values in your vectors to a lower precision representation, producing smaller index files that consume less memory at query time. MongoDB offers two types of quantization. Scalar quantization converts each dimension as a 1-byte integer instead of a 32-bit float. That's a roughly 3.75 times reduction in RAM with minimal impact on recall. Binary quantization goes further, 1 bit per dimension instead of 4 bytes. That's roughly 24 times smaller. The trade-off is more precision loss, so MongoDB automatically adds a rescoring step. It uses the full precision vectors stored on disk to re-rank the top results and recover accuracy. To apply quantization automatically, add a quantization field to your Atlas Vector Search index definition. Set it to scalar or binary. That's it. MongoT handles the quantization at index build time. Your ingestion pipeline doesn't change. If you also need to reduce storage in MongoDB itself, use pre-computed quantization instead. Quantize your vectors before writing them to MongoDB and store them as BSON bin data using the vector subtype. Pre-computed quantization requires a compatible driver. Note that your query vectors must match that same bin data format. If you're just starting out with quantization, you should start with automatic quantization as it's simple and doesn't add pipeline complexity. Move to pre-computed quantization only if MongoDB storage is also a concern. Either way, validate recall by comparing your approximate nearest neighbor results against exact results before going to production. Optimize your indexes and maintain your performance. Earn the vector search performance with MongoDB Skill Badge today.